Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, so as usual, we are going to do foundation. I will ask the LP for this week. We will start from the Sanskrit. So for Sanskrit, K1 on Monday and Tuesday, right?
What?
On Monday and Tuesday, the Sanskrit.
Yes,
Okay, so please explain, Miss, from Monday.
from Monday.
Mm.
Monday we still in this week we have the new unit that is unit 4. The sounds there are 4 sounds they are ibe ip ide ip
Ebe,
ibe
Ebe.
ibe ip ige ik and ihna in. For example,
How many? How many sounds?
4.
4. Okay, for example.
For example, ibe only 2 words, bip and rip. Ide only 2 words, lit and kit. And then ige there are 4 words. That one, fig, big. And
Dick,
then
no?
dick, yes, dick. Dick. One more is I forget. Next, the last sound is ihna in, fin, pin, win, bin.
Okay, my question, why for Ibe and Ide you put 2 examples, while for Ige, Ihne you put 4?
Yes, we just follow the application. Miss the application provide 2 words only for ihbe and ide.
Don't you try to find another words?
No, I think we don't need to find another words, right? Because this is we just follow the application, Miss. We never add that.
You never add?
No.
Okay. So on Tuesday?
On Tuesday, actually for Monday, we will open the application of the word and the sound first and the word, and I will guide the students how to say, how to mention the word, and then I ask them to read, and then and then I will ask them to do the activity. Actually, for Monday and Tuesday still same, only the different from the activity.
Activity?
Yes.
What is that? For Monday, the activity, what is it?
For Monday, that is only writing.
Writing session?
Writing session. Based on the book, they only rewrite the word back. Rewrite the word. And then for Tuesday, they listen, and then they choose the correct picture.
They choose the correct pictures. What is the picture about?
For example, like this, the sun will have the word right like this, the dick, and then they will choose the picture which one dick. Kid, they will choose kid. So
based on the picture. How many pictures that you show?
3.
3 pictures. So they will
And
circle?
Then,
will they circle?
Yes,
no?
Circle and write.
Oh. You ask them to go in front? No?
No, we just do together.
On their book only?
So they will do on their book.
Or they just follow? They just follow you. You show,
Yes.
you circle, and then you ask them to do on their book. Only that? For Tuesday?
Yes, only that for Tuesday. And then we will have dictation after that.
Oh, dictation.
Same, Monday, Tuesday, after.
What kind of dictation?
Still same is we just say the word, and then they try to write that. If they cannot, we try to spell the letter, the sound first, and then we give the clue of the sounds, the letter, and then we ask them to guess what letter is it, so they can write the word.
Not like kid. And
yes, the first number 1 I will say kid, ke. The beginning ke, and it ke. What letter kid? If they still cannot write, we give the more clue, right? Ke. What letter is that? Ke letter K, and then it. That is E. What letter is it? Like that. Until they can write. If they still cannot write again, we saw in the touchboard, right?
Okay. But you let them to write first, right?
Yes.
Okay. So for little steps, this is about vehicle, right?
Yes, vehicle.
How did you explain this about the vehicle that carry many people on the road? This one.
Yes. There is a story about Bob and Anna. They just have actually there is
Anna Day. How many people in the story?
only two kids.
Anna and
Bob.
Bob.
They want to go to the top of the stone mountain, and then they think how come they go to the top of the mountain, and then they think they can go to the top by the train. But they think again it is impossible. The train cannot go to up, and then they try to go by bus. I think that is cannot too. How about the aeroplane? And then they think the aeroplane can fly so high. It cannot go to the top of the mountain. And then they just have idea that Anna try to draw that they are in the on the top of the mountain. Actually, there is only imagination. They don't go there, right? But the solution, because there is no transportation, because if you really want to go to the top, we can hike, right?
Okay. So how did you explain about what vehicle that carry many people on the road?
Yeah, that's because we connect it like there is the keyword too, right? Like bus, and then train, and then bike.
Okay, before you turn to the question, right, the CP questions, how did you explain the topic about how do we get from one place to another place?
That's why
How can we move? How can we go?
after we say the keyword, we say there is vehicle or transportation. This is talk about vehicle or transportation. Okay, so we can move to one place to another place. So, for example,
Vehicle or vehicle? Vehicle or vehicle? We try, yeah?
vehicle.
You say just not
Vehicle.
vehicle. We try, yeah? Wait. Yes, I know, vehicle. Not
Vehicle. Vehicle.
like vehicle.
Vehicle, right?
Vehicle.
Yes, okay. Then?
Vehicle. So the simple one, we made the sample. If you want to go to school, it means you move from your house to the school, right? So how do you go to the school? You can go to the school by car, by motorcycle, or pedicab, right? That is, the pedicab car brings you to the school. It means you move from the house to the school. That is,
Sorry, miss. Sorry, I cut. Yes, not it's mean, but it means.
it means
Okay. The meaning will be different later.
okay.
Okay. It means
It means you move from one place to another place.
is it only the vehicle on the road? How about in the air? How about on the water? In the water, no?
Actually, we don't. From the first we explained to you, yes, right? Actually, there are three parts, three kinds of transportation. They are on the land, in the air, and on the water.
There is one more. In the water.
In the water, not on the water.
On the water. One more in the water. Submarine,
Oh, yes,
kapal
yes,
selam.
But
But the
still
point on
water,
the three,
yes.
yes. You
Still
just
water.
give tricks. How to say that? Three kinds. Oh.
It's include on the water, in the water, still include water.
Okay, because it will be different, right? On the
Yes.
water and in the water. Okay, next. How about this one? What has four wheels and drives on the road? How did you explain this?
What means one?
What has four wheels and drives on the road?
What?
What has four wheels?
What
How did you
has
explain?
four wheels? Okay. Look at the transportation about the car. Do you see the wheel? Do you see the wheel? Can you count the wheel? How many wheel that has car? How many wheel that car has? There are four wheel. The car has four wheel. The car has four wheel. How about the bike? How many wheels that bike has? The bike has two wheels, right? And then we back to the typical.
So what is their answer?
So the answer, the car has four wheels.
So the example on the car.
Actually, no, right? Like taxi, truck. That is same like a car. That they are have four wheels.
Okay. How about the CP question for the next day? This is about what vehicle can be used to keep the air clean.
The air clean, right? What the vehicle?
What vehicle can be used?
The first we will go to the picture first. We open the book, and then we will see there are some vehicle that they are like scooter, car, and then
Car?
yes,
Car
in the picture in the book is
Car can keep the air clean.
yes. Wait, first I don't answer.
Okay,
First
okay.
I still
Okay, sorry. Next. Oh, there are
before we go to
bike, scooter, car. What else?
yes. That. Do you know some of the
Vehicle.
vehicle can can make our air to be dirty? What are they? Like a car, motorcycle. Why the car can be polluted our air? Because the car, the motorcycle, they use what is that? The fuel.
Fuel.
Yeah.
Fuel.
Fuel.
Bahan bakar, right?
Yes.
Fuel.
They use the fuel. And
Fuel. Wait, yeah.
Fuel.
Fuel.
fuel, right?
Fuel.
Fuel.
Not fuel. Like fuel. Like we still have the e, but it's not really clear, right? The e, but like we say that fuel.
Fuel.
Fuel. They still say it.
Fuel.
Fuel. Okay. Then
Because they use the fuel
fuel.
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 Fuel. They use the fuel.
No, fuel.
Fuel.
The is not really white. Fuel. Fuel. Okay.
Fuel. They use the fuel to make the car and the motorcycle work, so it can be polluted our air. But scooter and bike, we don't need the fuel to make it work, because you need your leg to make it work, so it can keep clean our air. That's why actually that is better if we use the scooter or bike if we want to go to somewhere. But in other case, if we want go to far place, we need like car, bus. But you don't go, you don't often go to to far place. So it means you will keep clean the air. So we will go to CPQ.
Okay.
CPQ.
Where does a bike go? So the topic was, the question was why must be a bike?
Bike and scooter, miss.
No, only bike. Where does a bike go? Only bike.
Oh, that is where does we, because we just chose for the specification, we just choose one question, right? Actually, there are some picture. There are bike, and then what else? There is bike, sheep. One more. There are three.
Yes, there
And
are
then
three, right?
plane.
Plane, okay.
Yes. That is talk about where the vehicle go to show on the land, on the water, or
In the air.
in air.
So did you explain three of kind of this? The pictures? The
Yes, of course,
plane,
yes.
the bike, and one more? The ship.
Yes.
So far, have they understood?
Yes,
If you
of
give
course.
them question, okay, students, what is the transportation that we use on the water, for example?
Yeah, we will back after I said I will back to speak you, right? Where does the bike go? The bike goes on the land.
Okay, Rainbow Science.
Rainbow Science, we just have
Project, yeah, special
yes,
activity.
project, and because this one review
What is it about, Miss?
review lesson, right? That is talk about water. So the first we explain about the book. What is that characteristic of water, and then the water can can turn into ice, and then the
Transfer water?
resource. I will explain the book first because we will have the CPQ question, right?
Oh,
First.
yes. So the first thing that you do, CPK questions first.
Yes,
Oh,
the
okay.
CPQ question first, and then we will go to special activity that is about transferring water. Transferring water from the bowl to a glass or cup with the spoon.
With the spoon.
Yes. Yeah.
How many? How many spoon? How many the equipment that you need to
Only
provide?
the water, bowl and spoon and cup.
Bowl and spoon. Glass? No.
Cup or glass.
Oh, glass.
Just now we use transparent cup.
Oh, you have done this, yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then like they compete, they compete each other, no? Or do it together?
They will do it together in like usual means they will do like competition. There are also two groups. We can do two students in in one group.
How will they line up? How will they line up?
We just put the two table, right? On the left and on the right, and then the student will sit or stand up. It's okay. And then they will try to do it like competition. So we
It's
give
okay
them
if
the
they
time.
sit down?
Huh?
It's okay if they sit?
Yes, it's okay. Because this is not the hard thing, right? They can sit.
Okay. And then, how many minutes?
It's around 1 minute only.
1 minute.
Yes.
But you put here no 1 minute.
How many minutes over there?
You put here 5.
I think that is we try it 5 minutes. It becomes so long. That's why we just cut into 1 minute. Depend on the student. Later, some of the student, the first we try, right? But the others were so lazy. Miss, I want to try, Miss.
But you asked them in the group. So why did they ask, I want, I want, I want?
Yes, because they don't have patience to do it. They want immediately to do it.
Oh.
Because not
Without
all,
your
yeah,
instruction
huh?
first. Without your instruction first. They want to do it directly.
I have give the instruction, but you know, right? The kids always like that.
So what did you do when they have started it before you explain?
I have explained before it starts.
I mean, just now you said that some of them want to do it immediately.
Yes, when even I have taught to them, they still like that, Miss, because they are so enthusiastic.
So what is your solution? What was your solution to them?
That's why I just made that is 1 minute.
1 minute.
Uh,
For one group or for two groups?
yes, for the group.
Okay. Okay, next. ASP Sains ini tentang air, udara, dan api.
Yes.
Coba saya lihat ini pertanyaannya. Oke. Lilin ya, apa itu lilin? Bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang lilin? Miss Miss berikan nggak bendanya langsung Miss bawa gitu, inilah lilin gitu.
Iya, sebenarnya untuk ASP Science karena bendanya mudah didapat, kita akan bawa lilin dan tunjukkan kepada siswa apa itu lilin. Pertama, kenapa bawa lilin juga? Karena berhubung dengan bertemakan api, udara, dan air. Nah, pokok pembahasannya di ASP bahasa ya, bahasa. Di ASP bahasa itu berbicara tentang lilin yang merupakan sumber cahaya juga atau
apakah hanya
sumber
cahaya?
api, ya kan? Nah, jadi api itu dapat menghasilkan panas. Nah, lilin ini bisa sebagai sumber api. Kalau kita hidupkan dengan mancis ataupun korek api, dia akan menghasilkan api. Dan itu berbahaya untuk anak-anak kecil. Tidak boleh menghidupkan lilin sendirian, harus dengan orang tua. Kapan kita menggunakan lilin? Ketika kita membutuhkannya, mungkin ketika mati lampu, atau kita ingin membakar sesuatu yang penting. Misalnya seperti membakar sesuatu yang penting seperti apa itu yang penting? Misalnya ada sampah yang harus dibakar. Seperti itu, Miss.
Oke. Apakah contohnya cuma lilin yang Miss kasih? Karena ada pertanyaan kedua ini, kenapa kita harus hati-hati dengan api? Gitu. Kenapa cuma hanya lilin? Cuman lilin maksud saya.
Contohnya hanya lilin, iya, Miss. Karena itu yang paling sederhana untuk menggambarkan api dibandingkan yang lain ya kan. Kalau mancis kadang itu berbahaya juga ya kan. Jadi berdasarkan
Miss nggak suruh mereka menghidupkan.
Iya.
Kan Miss aja yang menghidupkan sendiri. Ah, ini mancis gitu.
Iya. Mungkin bisa kita tambahkan juga ya, Miss.
Kita korek api.
Korek api ya kan, tapi
nanti kan mereka bisa tanya.
Ya.
Iya kan? Sorry saya potong ya. Nanti kan mereka bisa tanya, Miss, bagaimana menyalakan lilin? Mungkin sebagian gitu ya kan. Kita pakai apa, Miss? Bisa jadi mereka bertanya seperti itu. Bisa juga Miss bawa korek api atau mancis. Jangan suruh mereka yang hidupkan juga lah, Miss lah yang hidupkan. Ini korek api, ini mancis. Kita bisa gunakan untuk menyalakan lilin gitu. Jadi bagaimana?
Jadi api itu kalau dia api kecil itu sangat berguna untuk manusia seperti lilin ini.
Maksud saya ini kan belum dibahas ya. Belum dibahas kan ini?
Belum. Dia
hari Jumat ya. Nah, maksud saya Miss bawa lah ya.
Iya.
Miss bawa lah pendukung gitu lah selain lilin, ya kan? Oke, lanjut.
Ya kan. Nah, sebelum kita ke CPQ, kita jelaskan dulu kenapa api itu berbahaya. Nah, sebenarnya api itu sangat bermanfaat bagi kehidupan kita, yaitu seperti untuk memasak, membakar sampah. Kalau yang kecil-kecil itu sangat bermanfaat, tapi kalau api sudah besar, itu sangat berbahaya untuk kita. Itu bisa melukai kita, bahkan bisa menghancurkan bumi, seperti kebakaran hutan, rumah terbakar, itu sangat berbahaya. Oleh sebab itu tidak boleh main-main api. Baru kita pergi ke checkpoint question. Kita tanyakan mengapa api berbahaya? Karena api dapat melukai kita.
Oke. ASP Science ini tentang apa, Miss? Topiknya kayaknya sama juga ini.
Iya,
Air,
sama,
udara, dan
Miss.
api. Jadi di ASP Science ini saya lihat pertanyaannya
Iya,
tentang
agak complicated.
air ya.
Iya,
Yang
dia
mudah.
mengarah yang pertama benda
Yang mudah tenggelam.
iya yang mudah tenggelam. Jadi dia berbicara tentang air. Jadi benda-benda bisa juga kita bawa bahan-bahannya yang sederhana seperti paku kecil atau kertas. Jadi kita bisa bandingkan mana benda yang tenggelam dan mana benda yang terapung.
Miss,
Atau
praktekkan di depan
tali
nggak?
plastik, iya.
Apa nanti yang akan Miss bawa?
Itu bisa seperti tali plastik atau pita kecil atau hair clip yang terbuat dari besi. Jadi untuk menunjukkan itu tenggelam.
Kenapa
Paku
nggak batu
kecil
aja?
atau batu, ya.
Batu
Kita
juga.
bawa beberapa, jadi kelihatan benda-benda yang tenggelam dan yang terapung.
Nanti wadahnya pakai apa, Miss gunakan?
Bisa kita bawa wadah baskom kecil saja, Miss.
Baskom.
Iya.
Tidak lebih baik gelas, jadi mereka bisa lihat tanpa harus berdiri gitu. Jadi transparan dia,
Oh iya,
bisa
betul.
kelihatan, ya kan?
Transparan cup ya.
Iya, jadi dari tempat duduk mereka juga bisa lihat. Oh,
Iya,
iya ya, gitu.
transparan cup.
Kalau baskom nanti kan gini-gini nanti orang itu ya kan berdiri gitu ya. Menurut saya seperti itu, Miss, yang transparan aja. Oke. Kemudian benda yang berbentuk bulat, hubungannya apa, Miss?
Nah,
ke air, udara,
iya,
api.
dihubungkan tadi kan benda-benda yang tenggelam itu dihubungkan ke bentuknya. Coba perhatikan bentuk-bentuknya karena berdasarkan buku panduannya seperti itu, Miss.
Jadi bagaimana Miss menjelaskan ini?
Nah, lihat ini benda-benda yang tenggelam ini mempunyai bentuk. Ada yang persegi panjang, ada yang bulat, mungkin bisa ditamakan seperti bola kecil ya nanti ya. Nah,
Iya.
jadi biar terlihat bentuk-bentuknya, karena itu dihubungkan ke bentuk. Nah,
Iya.
seperti itu, Miss.
Karena meja nggak mungkin, kita nggak punya meja bundar kan?
Iya. Ada
Jam
Miss.
bisa nggak?
Sebenarnya ada yang
Di kelas kan nggak ada, kita nggak punya.
dulu sih ada,
Meja
sekarang nggak
bulat
ada.
dia. Dulu ada kan?
Iya.
Sekarang
Nggak ada di
nggak ada
Indonesia.
kan? Bawa yang real aja. Jam boleh lah kita tunjuk, ada di jam di kelas gitu. Tapi selain jam kan bisa Miss bawa yang lain lagi kan?
Iya betul, Miss.
Oke, for the project,
We
art and craft, yes.
no,
Oh no, practical life. Okay, so what will you ask them to do?
hang the clothes.
How will they do that?
So we will bring the hanger, some of the hanger, and
How many?
it's around 3 or 4. So they can ask them. The first we open the video first, right? And then we sew or we act how to hang the clothes. Like we just bring the kid clothes.
The clothes only one.
No for two. Depend on the hanger, right?
Only clothes?
Yes, Miss. It's I think
The clothes,
it's like
shirt, t-shirt,
yes.
or pants?
I think that is easier to them t-shirt, right?
So there are 2 t-shirts, or maybe 1 t-shirt, 1 shirt, or 1 pants, 1 shirt.
No, because
What
we
they
want
think?
to hang, right? We sell them
Pants also
to,
we can hang it, right?
huh?
Pants also we can hang it, right?
Yes,
Maybe the
actually,
easier one,
yes, the easier
t-shirt
one.
and
We
shirt.
just
Yes.
do the easier one, right? Because they are still kindergarten one. Okay.
Okay then. So you will bring a t-shirt,
Yes, t-shirt and hanger.
hanger. Okay. Individually.
Yes, we will do that individually.
Okay. Another things, practical life, special activity. Right. Iron craft no more. There is no in this week.
No.
Okay. So after they do that, what will they get?
What, Miss?
After they do that, what will they get?
After
What
they
do you
do-
hope?
I hope they can do the simple activity at home, right? This is for our daily life, right? So they can hang their clothes by themselves at home, and they have what is that? What we call that? Hmm. Percaya dia, percaya diri what?
Self confidence.
Yes, they have self-confidence to do it without any help.
Or maybe become independent. No. They will be more independent.
Yes, I mean they will have self-confidence, like to be independent.
Okay. All right, I think that's all for the evaluation today, Miss. But I hope what do you apply in the class based on the LP that you have made here, like the duration just now. You
Yeah.
put here 5 minutes, but
Yes,
after that you
we
cut
tried
in the
it, right, but
class.
we have problems. See the situation, right, Miss? We cannot force our situation to the LP to, right? Because they are still really kids. We try first the real one based on the LP, but
Why
the fact,
why must be until 5 minutes you cut? Why don't you give them around 2 minutes or 3 minutes?
what, Miss?
Why don't you give them around 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Why must be 1 minute for
Yeah,
every
because to
group?
arrange the students is not easy, Miss. Because and then
It's
in our class,
it is like formality, right? According to me, it is like formality because the duration 5 minutes and then you cut until 4 minutes. You just do it 1 minute.
it's easy to say that, Miss, but the real one, if you come to the class, it's
But there are two teachers.
so far.
There is
Even
Ibu.
that is,
That's
yeah,
right.
Ibu not always can help us, right? Ibu only always have to go to toilet, right? Not in the class, Miss.
Yes, but I think not until 4 minutes you cut the duration, Miss. It's
Yeah, I have told to you, right? I have tried to do it in 5 minutes, but it cannot. That's why I cut. I have the reason, not based on my mind.
okay then. Okay, so only that I think, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah, maybe it's quite difficult to handle them, but I hope that we can find any solution to really apply the output that we have made. Okay, so I think that's all. And then one more is we hope that if it is possible, we bring the real things so that they can see directly, right? Okay, I think that's all. You pass in this evaluation.
Okay, thank you, Miss.